Here's an example of a chain wrap. Now I'm using a hat that I made, my turban that I made, and I'm using a separate color of yarn for demonstration purposes only. Now I'm just using this hat also as demonstration purposes only. Now to pull this, I just take some cut yarn. To start, I use cut yarn. I like to make it long and just insert it through the first single crochet to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And now to half double crochet it. Now this is where you're going to chain wrap around the chain itself, so it's used like a prop or a tool or whatever. It's used as a foundation. So half double crochet around it, and then you will 5 times single crochet it. So wrap